Economics might sound like a big scary word, but it's really just about how people make choices. We all have limited resources like time and money. Economics studies how we use these resources to get what we want and need. It's about understanding how we make decisions in a world where we can't have everything. Think about it. You can't buy every video game you want or go on every vacation you dream of. Economics helps us understand why we have to make these tough choices. It also looks at how these choices affect not just us, but the world around us. From the clothes we wear to the food we eat, economics is behind it all. It helps us understand why things cost what they do and how our choices as consumers influence businesses. It's a fascinating field that touches every part of our lives. At the core of economics lies a fundamental concept: scarcity. Simply put, scarcity means that we have unlimited wants and needs but limited resources to fulfill them. We can't have everything we desire, so we must make choices. This problem of scarcity isn't limited to individuals, it affects entire societies. Think about your country's government. It has a limited amount of money from taxes and must decide how to spend it on healthcare, education, defense, or other important things. Scarcity forces us to prioritize. We have to figure out what's most important to us and make decisions based on those priorities. This constant tension between our unlimited wants and limited resources is what drives economic activity. Every choice we make comes with a trade-off. When we choose one thing, we're also choosing to give up something else. This is where the concept of opportunity cost comes in. Opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative that we give up when we make a choice. Let's say you have $10 to spend. You could use it to buy a new book or go out for pizza with friends. If you choose the book, the opportunity cost is the enjoyment you would have gotten from the pizza with friends. If you choose the pizza, the opportunity cost is the knowledge and entertainment you would have gained from the book. Opportunity cost isn't always about money. It can also involve time, resources, or any other limited factor. Understanding opportunity cost is essential for making rational decisions. It helps us weigh the benefits of one choice against the costs, guiding us towards the most fulfilling options. Let's look at some real-world examples of how scarcity and opportunity cost play out. A student choosing between studying and a part-time job. The student faces a scarcity of time. If they choose to work, the opportunity cost is study time, potentially leading to lower grades. If they choose to study more, the opportunity cost is the income they could have earned. A family deciding between a new car or a family vacation. The family faces a scarcity of financial resources. If they choose the car, the opportunity cost is the enjoyment and memories of a vacation. If they choose the vacation, the opportunity cost is the convenience and reliability of a new car. A government choosing between investing in renewable energy or expanding highways, the government faces a scarcity of tax revenue. Investing in renewable energy might mean less money for highways, potentially leading to more traffic congestion. Expanding highways might mean less funding for renewable energy, potentially slowing down progress towards environmental goals. These examples highlight how scarcity and opportunity cost are woven into the fabric of our decisions. By understanding these concepts, we can make more informed choices that align with our priorities and values.